Dr. Celestine Lingdo, MLA jangka Umsning constituency, Plie patba yaka chemistry laboratory jangka Skul St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning Riboy district. Hak arpu tarik naitung arhajar arpusan, hak nigesngi Plie yaka te chemistry laboratory jangka St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning, ladon lang Reverend Padar Pius Syadap, Parish Priest Umsning Parish, Ba Carlos Karkongor, President jangka Managing Committee, Sister Idalin Soklet, Principal jangka St. Michael's High Secondary School Umsning, Dr. Father Lawrence Karluni, Principal jangka Balawan College, Ba Clement Maulong, Rengkat kinong hikai bat kena Skul Jong kane ke Skul St. Michael's. Haswa ban Plie la penlong shwa da kajing duai, na Reverend Padar Pius Syadap, hadian kajing Plie la kerku ya kane ke chemistry laboratory da Padar Pius Syadap, Pat ladon ruki program balengkot balasim benta degi kena skul jong kani ke skul.
Very good. Lokal MLA ini iban Plie ya kani Inauguration ya kani ka chemistry lab ini ya chairman juga SMC na Shillong kinahikai juni ki sister berkhon boleh try kan rat ke Khuborjylla bakin syai kin klan kin koi kin kia ke Khuborjylla headmistress kinahikai juni baro ki dono sini baro boleh try kan rat ke Khuborjylla bakin tat kin diam ai gane ka lab kan syakri ki kena juni.
On behalf of the Chief Minister, I would like to unveil a flag for the science lab that has been sanctioned through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. I talked to the CM this morning, highlighting that I am coming to inaugurate. Then he said, convey his wishes, best wishes to all the students of the school. So I will not talk long. I was told that there is a program inside. So along with Father, we will open the flag and cut the ribbon.
Good morning to you all. So St. Michael's Higher Secondary School, Umsning, Riboy District. Our motto is Excelsior, established in 1961. A memorandum submitted to Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Honorable MLA 11, Umsning Assembly Constituency. Let's give them space. May those who seek knowledge find space, and the temple of learning become their dwelling place. May the chosen ones be a giver of hope, with scarcity and dream of prosperity. May students tomorrow make sense, and their effort yesterday has an essence to live again today and keep fighting for another day. Respected Sir, to meet the increasing demand of students who earnestly wish to pursue the Class 2 courses in St. Michael's Higher Secondary School, Umsning, we are privileged to impress upon your efficient leadership and competent decision that we as a school are willing to accommodate as many students as feasible. But to materialize this willingness, we urgently require at least one spacious additional classroom to enable us to create one more section for class 11 with effect from academic session 2026-2027. It is to be intimated to your honorable leadership that we are open to
Sister Principal Aida Sokrat, Khubor, Chairman of SMC members, Domain, Lawrence, Clement, Pak Freddy, like fun, and teachers, staff, students, and all the special invitees. We have invited the video, but he's not free to come because he has some other work. It is my great pleasure and honor to stand before you today on this special occasion, the inauguration of our new chemistry laboratory for the higher secondary section of our school. Science is not just a subject we learn from textbook. It is something we experience, question, and explore. Chemistry in particular is the bridge between the physical and biological sciences. It helps us understand the world around us, from the air we breathe, to the medicine we take, to the energy we consume. Today, by opening this fully equipped chemistry lab, we are not just adding a new room to our school, we are unlocking a whole new dimension of learning. To our dear students, this lab is now your space, a space to observe, experiment, discover, and sometimes even fail, because every failure is a step towards learning. I encourage you to use it responsibly with curiosity, discipline, and care. To our dedicated science faculty, thank you for the input and guidance in shaping this lab. Your passion for science education continues to be the backbone of our students' academic growth. We are deeply grateful to our Chief Minister, Sri Samla, for granting us this building. If you remember, he came for the Diamond Jubilee of St. Michael's School. Right from that time, we applied the scheme. But he was quick enough. Just after a few weeks, he wrote a letter. We have made the plan, building plan. Then we have to be countersigned by the chief engineer at PWD. So I do not know who is in that chair, but I knew my friend. We were studying together in St. Paul Seminary, Joel Marbanian, he's an EE of course. So I told him, you please take with the chief engineer of the PWD building for countersign the flag. But surprisingly, when I reached there, I that lady happened to be, the chief engineer happened to be the one who had gone with me to Holy Land and Europe. Then at once, welcoming me, and so today it's Father Albu. So next day she gave to the assistant chief engineer, I think, and the work was done.
Father the Secretary of the SMC, Father Lawrence, Principal of Balawan College, Sister Idalin Soklet, the Headmistress of St. Michael Higher Secondary School, Babu Clement, Babu Carlos, the President of the Chairman of the SMC, all the members of the teaching faculty, and the students. A very good morning to all of you. We had a very beautiful instrumental item which was played just now. I think the title of the song is I Have a Dream by ABBA. If you listen to the lyrics, it's very beautiful indeed. Beautiful in the sense, I personally also realize that only people who dream can achieve. People who never dream means is not the dream when you sleep. The dream means when you sit and think about your life, You imagine yourself to be one day a professor in chemistry. When you sit and think about your life, you imagine that you become a very successful businessman. You sit in a corner of your room on a fine Sunday afternoon. Maybe you think that you may become a priest or maybe become a politician like Dr. Bong. See, that is the beauty. You have to dream and follow up on those dreams. I think the management of the school had been dreaming all this while how to provide a perfect science lab to the students. It so happened that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Samla, came for a function, and that dream took roots and materialized the way it is today. When I look inside the hall, I remember in 1998, that time it was not called 11 and 12, it is called pre-university first year and PU second year. When I look at this science lab, I remember our lab in St. Anthony's College, Shillong. The breadth of this hall is bigger than St. Anthony's Science Lab, but the length, St. Anthony's lab is longer. I was asking Father, did you give a contract work to someone to do this work? Because I was thinking, if the work has been done by a contractor, they will not do it so beautifully. Then Father said, no, we did it by ourselves. By PWD rate, the size of this building with the tiles, the marble tops, and all the good fittings, it will not be less than 50 lakhs. I think we should give a round of applause to Father and to all those who are involved in making this place such a beautiful lab. And I encourage all the students to make the maximum use of this hall and the facilities that you have here. When we look around us these days, we see so many development in science, but chemistry is one of the very important subjects in our lives. When you talk about food, agriculture, it has to go side by side with chemistry. Our fertilizers, our insecticides, everything involves chemistry. Of course, things that bring a lot of money is not chemistry, it is physics and technology.
Hey paralok, snap, manetu khana, shafang kejikim jonga, nadu Khubor badangka, hadukat kini kisi gimamenta. yang hunya ka eka bablei uai ngan ri kendong kan long ka bajanai kat bangadang ring men siam hasla pertei ngan yai pdang hok